Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a common task: sending Cardano from Gemini to Robinhood. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Robinhood. Log into your Gemini account and head over to the wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including Cardano. Select Cardano from your list of holdings. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw option. Gemini will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your Cardano wallet details. Robinhood makes this easy. Copy the wallet address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back on Gemini, paste that Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to send, and don't forget to check for any network fees. Gemini might use the Cardano network, so fees could vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network traffic. Once it's confirmed, check your Robinhood account to see your Cardano arrive. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to Gemini or Robinhood support. They're usually helpful. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Cardano from Gemini to Robinhood. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest on regulations and security. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.